Hello everyone, this is Stephanie from MamaTellYou. Today I'm going to be teaching you another very simple recipe, and that is the chicken and sweet corn soup. So the reason why I'm cooking this recipe is because recently the weather has been rather unpredictable, and I thought that this soup would be very good for increasing your children's appetite. The flavor of the soup is very light on the palate, but the chicken stock actually comes through together with hints of like ginger and spring onion, so it's really very aromatic. We also added in some prawn powder to increase the umami in this dish. So on the whole, right, this dish is very flavorful and very well-rounded, but it's also very light. So it really helps to tickle your senses and let you enjoy every aspect of the soup. And it's nutritious because we have added in eggs as well. I hope you will enjoy the recipe that we are showing you today. Thank you for watching to the end of our video. I hope that you have liked the recipe that we have prepared for you today. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you will be notified of any new videos if we do upload any. And I'll see you at the next episode. Bye!